Hello students, welcome back to this e-learning session. Now in the last video we have discussed about adaptation with respect to changes in the climate. If at a particular place there is cold climate, then animals living in that place need to adapt according to that. And if the climate of a particular place is hot and humid most of the times throughout the year, then the animals need to adapt accordingly, right? And we have seen the climate has an impact on lives as well. Our lifestyle, for example, the people living in desert are supposed to wear light clothes, not wear woolen clothes, because the environment of Rajasthan, or we can say desert, the places where too much sand is there, so and there is less water, so in such a places the conditions are hot and humid and it might become too intolerable for some, so that's why it is suggested to wear light clothes. Then if we think about the polar region, the poles, animals living in the poles need to have certain adaptations among themselves, otherwise they will not survive. Then the animals which are living in a typical cold climate, not totally on the pole but climate is cold, so they need to wear woolen clothes. So lifestyle पे effect होता है climate. All right, and today we are going to discuss adaptations of animals living in polar region. Okay, adaptations of animals living in polar region. Now, what is polar region? Poles, Earth, equator from the center, and poles at one end, another end. So it forms a total sphere. Okay, it forms a total circle. So polar region basically situated at the poles. Two poles are there, North Pole, South Pole, as you know, and the countries which are situated at the poles are having temperature even up to -37 degrees Celsius. Can you imagine? Average temperature of humans is 37 degrees Celsius, and the average temperature of climate, not average, I cannot say average, extreme cold temperature at the cold places itself is 37 degrees Celsius. Minus means that much cold temperature is there in the polar region. Okay, this region is covered totally with ice most of the years. Then sun does not set for 6 months in a year. Whereas after in the later 6 months, sun does not rise. So, if animals have to survive there, they need to have certain adaptations among themselves, which will enable or which will ensure that they are surviving in the extreme climatic condition. Okay, so for that we are going to discuss some examples of animals. In this video, we will be discussing about polar bear and the adaptation shown by polar bear with respect to the cold environment. Okay. Now, polar bear. Let us start with the animal, that is the polar bear. Maybe you have seen polar bear, you might have in Discovery channels. Let us show polar bear on the board now. Right now, on the board, polar bear is visible. See, observe the structures by zooming in properly. Okay, what can you see? can you clearly see that it has layers of fur on its body? It has hairs covered like a blanket on the body. Yes, can you clearly see? Of course it should be. Okay, because the body of polar bear is covered with, its skin is showing two layers of fur. As you can see clearly, its skin is showing two layers of fur. Now from above you will see one, but here the inner layer keeps the inner surrounding and outer surrounding separate, and the outer layer does not allow cold environment or the cold breeze to come in. Okay, so its skin is showing two layers of fur. What is the advantage of these two layers of fur? It helps to keep them warm. It helps to keep them warm in the cold climate. Then next, under the skin there is a layer of fat. Under the skin, polar bear shows a layer of fat. Okay, it has a layer of fat under the skin. So as it has a layer of fat under the skin, you should know this, that fats are important for insulation of the body. Insulation means what? Providing, giving us heat. So those who are having so much fat, their body temperature is more, because fat molecules are having so much heat. So layer of fat under the skin makes sure that it insulates their body and keeps it warm. This also is an adaptation. Okay. Then in the cold environment, if you have observed, when you open the door of a fridge that you have at your home, so in the fridge you can see that there are so many items, but individual smell does not come because it's a cold environment. And in cold environment there is a possibility that the senses of smell are not so active. So polar bear has a modification. Polar bear has very strong sense of smell. Very strong sense of smell, to make sure that it has food also. क्योंकि पोलर रीजन में रहने वाला है, इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी नहीं कि खाना नहीं खाएगा. It has to feed on a prey. It has to play the role of a predator. It has to search upon an animal so that it can find something to eat, or fish, right? So polar bear has a great sense of smell, and that with the help of that sense of smell, even in the ice cold environment, it can catch its prey easily, and even sometimes can look for the predators that are on its way. Okay, there might be some other predators as well, तो उनको भी ढूंढने में आसानी जाती है, just because it has a very strong sense of smell. Okay, now one more is there. Its white skin. Its white skin is doing camouflage with the background. You might have seen sometime that the skin of an insect that is, you call it as chameleon, it changes its color. Why it changes? In accordance with the surrounding. Same way here, polar bear does not need to change, but as its body color itself is white, as it is showing the white color, right? As it is showing the white body color, then its white skin helps polar bear to adjust in white background. To adjust in white background. So these are some adaptations which are shown by polar bear. One more is there. Is it easy to walk on ice? Have you ever tried? I don't think so. Most of you have tried. But if you try to walk, you need special shoes which will grip cold, which should have spikes. So it means the legs needs sharp claws. If an animal has to walk by barefoot, means without any shoes, sandals, slippers, nothing, then it needs a firm grip. So polar bear has sharp and curved claws. So this is the adaptation shown. These are the adaptations shown by the polar bear. Okay, I hope you have understood the adaptations and how they are helping polar bear. 2 layers of fur help them to keep their body warm. Layer of fat helps to insulate or to maintain the temperature irrespective of the outer. Then strong sense of smell. It can smell its prey. Okay, smell the predators. Then white skin helps the polar bear to adjust in the white background, and at last the sharp and curved claws are helping polar bear to walk swiftly on the icy surface. Okay, so these are the adaptations shown by polar bear. Okay, in the next video we shall be discussing about some more animals which are surviving in the polar region and their adaptation. Alright students, so bye, thank you.